Thank you for watching this video up until this point. You made it. It's been like 2 minutes and you listened to all that music. So there's more of it to come. If you like what you've heard so far, it's going to be the same way for the rest of the time. I wanted to break in and just give a description of what I'm using in this 3-module challenge, because I am actually using only 3 modules in this one. Although I am putting a little bit of effect on the end of it just because I think it sounds neat. But the sounds you're hearing are coming from Maths by Make Noise, Pamela's new workout, and the AI synthesis filter. So the filter I'm using as an oscillator and sort of as a filter, but I'm tweaking the CV inputs with Maths and Pamela's workout. Pamela's workout is basically a clock module, but it's very deep. You see me twiddling with that little knob. There's a little screen on there. You have to go into a menu and find all these really interesting little corners of sound. It offers you waveforms and different kinds of rhythms, Euclidean rhythms, and all different speeds of clocks. So when I add that to the clock that's being generated in Maths, or if I add 2 of those rhythms in Maths and use a logic circuit, that's what's creating this interesting little percussion and pitch change that you hear. So I wanted to add one more interesting fact, something that I had to learn for this challenge, because I wanted to use only one oscillator, but I also wanted to be able to affect it with a filter. So I used the filter as an oscillator. And I learned, maybe you already know this, that every electronic circuit has a basic noise floor. It has just this sort of electronic sound in it. Whenever you just turn it on, you can kind of hear it. A filter can pick that up and amplify it. And you do that by matching the cutoff point with the resonance. Well, the resonance would be feedback. So you're just taking that one point at which you want to filter the sound, and you're resonating at that point, and you're taking that electronic signal and amplifying it. So you'll see me fiddling with the big knob. That's the cutoff, and the little knob is the resonance. So I found that interesting, something you could try. I'm going to keep playing with this configuration because it seems to me that the only way I'm going to be successful in making interesting music with merely 3 modules is if I use densely packed modules like Maths and Pamela's new workout. And I haven't even tapped into all the things that Pamela can do. So, thanks for watching, and there is the rest of it continuing above me.